Cumudul dah ke selam. Kan long kemana serai. Kau gangam lut barak sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memang tip isu dah.
Iding buon pak cakah sana mah. Atrai di pentip naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K. Sangma haka arpanyu tarik urempang arjar penriu ula lam khmat yaki MLA kentobru ki simbol Menteri Rangba ki Menteri Sorkar bat ulampang ka yeng dorbar thawan u Thomas A. Sangma u nongyalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ban lejngo yaki jingtai badang ya chakman ha New Shillong Township daka basyong haki bos thamai ki bala palat pajba hi hakani gasngi yaki bala jer kerteng ka bos jongpi ha kani kasingi Menteri Rangba ulayalam yaki MLA bat yaki Menteri Sorkar ban lejngo yaka jingtre jongka sekretariat batmai ha New Shillong bat yaka assembly ka badang shina thamai ha ka shinong mau diang diang.
Honorable Speaker. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One. So I think we just show the inside of any program, so that's going to be the parade ground. Yeah, so because we cannot go to polo, so that's the official ground, parade ground for any formal activity.
Let's hope it is not the understand ground.
In phase 2, it's almost complete. I think another month or so. The second IT park. This is also 88. Yes, sir, we had to then ultimately break it down, so we had to give it that side. So people are working inside now.
But you have taken back that land which was given to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We gave everything.
They have that tendency.
This IEEE is going to be here. Yes, sir.
What is so unsafe?
No, sir, I didn't say it too early. At least this patch. Yeah. But thoda kam hai, but what to do is make use of whatever we have.
After I came up to this point, I didn't feel like we not at the time.
But so they didn't give it back. Yeah, handover, yeah. So there were many, so we have taken everything back now. Of course, we've given them in other locations. We thought that we have given everything. Exactly, sir. So we took it back and then we gave them in Maukulu. One control center. Here, this one. ICCC. Smart City project. So inside there's a full high-tech setup. Take that 4-lane and then connect it all the way to Polo. Yeah. And the Polo also we were up to from Polo 4-lane should start.
And from there you have one more road, which is rather constructed earlier. From that neighborhood.
Yes, sir. That is the one.
VIP road.
VIP road, sir. That is the one. Or clear.
Low budget.
No budget allocation. All the posts. The front. Yes, sir. All this was taken in during your time. So we are on the STEM bus, and as you know, the STEM bus is also meant for our students. So this is also a message to our parents that the legislatures themselves are sitting in this STEM bus, and therefore it's absolutely safe, and we are here to show that to you, and really to encourage that more and more students and parents should adopt this, because it helps in the overall decongestion and reducing the traffic in the on the streets. So therefore, we encourage parents and students to take the STEM bus whenever possible. Thank you. What's the plan?
We walk the red carpet.
For the basement itself. Every month and a half, let's say. And the building is 18.5 lakh square feet.
How many hours? 18.5 lakh.
18.5 lakh. For comparison, the current secretariat is in 1.5 lakh square feet. 2 lakh square feet, the current secretariat.
Current secretary is 2 lakhs.
We'll have 8 times more space. Many directorates also will come in
That
this.
means 40 acre of land.
Almost.
Okay. Yeah, ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you.
We'll walk that side and one more view. We'll go, sir. There's a little bit more you want to see, or will we go? Let's go. It's raining, na?
Rain, as he said, is molten. We want to see secretariat mainly. Football stadium will go after maybe a month or two.
After we'll do after a month.
Yeah. That time, by the time the stadium structure will be up. Yeah.
Picnic we'll do.
Picnic like this, and we were here just now. We walked just like this and we came here. This is also going to be one road, and there's going to be the big road at the bottom there. And then we plan to put up the directorates will come there in that part. So the directorates will be here. So this will be the two rings will be there. The full secretariat, 2 rings. So this is this one, the white, this one outer ring. This is what the building is.
Because during MBA 2 will be for 3.
अरे कहाँ ले जा रहा है? और वहाँ से सब दिख Yes, I think we better start from there. One is President Leon, and then Ling Chu is John. There is President Lavon for. Which way? Which way? Now it's green bus. It's Shillong. You can't tell how much what we can earn. This is only the ceremonial where when governor comes or president, prime minister, whatever. This will be the ceremonial entry. This will not be the normal. For emulate the entries from backside, there's the normal entry will be there, which is going to be used day to day. That's what. No, that's not Prime Minister. Sir, we have, sir, as you remember, the earlier design was a suspension of the dome. Now the dome is on the pillar.
On the main pillar.
On the pillar, sir. So you can see that it's very stable now. And the weight of the dome was 3,000 metric tons. That is 3 lakh kgs then. Now it is only about 300 metric tons.
Less than that.
Yeah, 1/10. So that's why. So and most important beams are on the column, on the beam, on the main foundation. That's the main thing. So this is the one we're waiting for. Hopefully, Speaker sir will.
Only this is left.
Yeah, this and the front reception. Yeah. So that's the only.
The rest, we can go and see.
Yeah, we can just show the.
We'll have tea there.
Hopefully in August we'll be sitting here.
No, your voice is very heavy, so you just shout.
Just say, Speaker sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
So earlier we had a big problem because there was this dome, the echo was too much. So that's the reason why we had to do.
There's a drop setting. This is going to be the conference room of the speaker. That is the speaker's chamber. And next is Chief Minister's chamber. Then alone.
Sir, we can go for the cheese. Yeah. Which way is it, sir?
You want to do the way.
No, speaker is used.
Hello, Dr. Mukul.
The ruling side of the not there. Those are. This is the deputy speaker. Deputy speaker.
Honorable Chief Minister suggested that we have a bus tour of the new Shillong City Township and the new Shillong, the new secretariat, which is yes, it is already been handed over, and the interior works are going on. As we speak now, we all know the interior parts consist of those claddings and paddings and all. So those materials are being manufactured outside our state, and they are being, as we speak, they are already on the way, and we expect those materials to reach by next week or next month.
So this is a separate contractor for the interiors.
Yes.
From where they are?
We have because interior. When I say interiors, it involves all those the security system, the audio visual, the lighting, everything is included there. So it's not only just putting those pads and claddings, but it also involves the cabling of all those high security cables, data cables, so we have engaged a firm, a US-based firm, which also had done the work for the parliament. And ultimately come here and show the honourable members around the progress of the work here in the assembly also.
Sir, are you satisfied with the progress of the work in this assembly, sir?
Yes, so far the progress is quite good, I would say. But we have a very hard timeline. We have to finish by June or July at the most, because we are going to have the session. Next session is due in August, so we want to finish it before that.
So, do you think that is it possible that with so much work remaining, is it possible to hold August?
We have asked the contractors to do the work, in 3 shifts, which means round the clock.
So we have also toured certain areas here.
I'm sorry?
So the external part of the.
So far we have we have in our budget to complete the main hall will be around 30 crores.
Sir,
That's already been sanctioned.
sir, how many rooms total?
I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, I don't have that idea. But it has enough rooms to accommodate all the staff.
In fact, we have seen that in our present assembly, even opposition room and all are very small. When earlier, during last government, also when the size of the opposition members were more, we have seen that hardly there was any space to accommodate them.
Yes,
So is the number means the space are enough for these both ruling and opposition?
Yes, we have a 45 seat capacity for both the ruling and the opposition. We have ruling room and the opposition lounge. We call it lounge, we call it room. Opposition lounge and ruling lounge, which has a 45 seat capacity for both.
What about the media room?
I'm sorry?
What about
Facilities
media?
for the media?
Yeah, there is a media room, there's a press room also. Of course, definitely.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go! Coming. How much you honk, yeah? Come on, we should leave. Chill. It's just family. Exactly. और घर वाले ही late. By the way, how am I looking? Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा. अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ,
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.